Today, we're reviewing the ASUNA SpaceFlex Motorized Running Treadmill. Stay tuned until the end to hear our final verdict on whether it's worth your investment. If you're looking to start jogging or
Make sure to check out YouTube's recommended products on the screen or down in the description, as they are related to this video and may provide you with extra help with what's been discussed so far. They are usually quite cheap and are unique to this video, so it might be worth checking out. Anyway, back to the tutorial.
running indoors, the ASUNA SpaceFlex is an excellent choice, thanks to its advanced features and compact design that allows easy storage anywhere in your home. Its dual folding mechanisms further enhance its portability. Among the highlights, this treadmill has transportation wheels, a powerful motor, numerous incline levels, and a folding tablet holder. However, it does lack a cooling fan, which might be a downside for some users. Based on its specifications, the ASUNA SpaceFlex is lightweight and provides ample surface area for running or jogging. It's not ideal for very heavy users due to its maximum weight capacity. One of the key features of this treadmill is its powerful motor, which supports a top speed of 8 miles per hour, allowing you to vary workout intensities. Additionally, it includes 12 incline levels, which can enhance your exercise sessions. The treadmill is easy to handle, thanks to its solid build and rough-textured deck rails, which boost comfort. You can place your feet on the edges of the track, and the solid handrails make it easy to get on and off smoothly. The design of the ASUNA SpaceFlex is particularly convenient. Being foldable, it saves space and can be stored under a bed or stood vertically against a wall. The model even includes wheels, making it easy to transport. The treadmill comes with 8 built-in preset programs and 3 customizable programs, which make your workouts more engaging and help you target different muscle groups. So, is this an ideal treadmill? Absolutely. Although it doesn't offer access to online features, its durable construction, powerful motor, and compact design make it a great choice for those seeking a reliable treadmill. It is particularly well-suited for beginners and intermediate athletes looking for light to moderate intensity exercises. If you're considering alternatives, you might look at the Sunny Health Fitness 7700, the Proform 300i, or the Sunny Health and Fitness ASUNA 8730G. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let us know in the comments which treadmill you'd like us to review next.